Don't play with it, don't be the sign.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are working with Beetles Tipex Instant Apex kit, and we are also working with the 36 color gel polish set by Beetles, y'all. So let's get right into it. So y'all, Beetles sent me these goodies to try out with you guys, and y'all, they sent me all these colors. Y'all know I was gonna go crazy, especially because everybody done skipped every season and just went straight to Halloween, and I love a good spooky set. So that's what I am doing today, using these goodies that Beetles sent me, y'all. First, we're starting out with the TIPEX gel kit, which comes with the actual tips. They're pre-etched, pre-apex on it. You don't have to apply any acrylic, y'all. They are super sturdy, and you apply them with UV glue. So you see me go in and buff my nails out, clean up around my cuticles, and now you see me applying the gel to the nail. I switched it up a little bit, y'all. This is my first time doing this. It really gives gel X, but and then I put it under the little light that came with the kit, y'all. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. It actually stays on the nail before you can even get into the light. But I love that, y'all. It was very satisfying. So y'all, do y'all see that apex? That's literally a perfect apex, and they are so sturdy. It looked like I just applied acrylic. Anyways, y'all, I'm going to clean up my cuticle with my 180 sanding bit. Y'all, it's really light bit. And I just wanted to clean up any spillage of glue that came out and just make it real crisp around my cuticles, and it came out so cute, y'all. And then I cleaned up the shape because, y'all, it wasn't too coffin-ish, but I needed it to be coffin, like real coffin. So I cleaned up the shape, and here is how it look, y'all. That apex really gets me every time I see it, because what? So I'm going to start out with some red. I just blotted it on in the middle of the nail to make kind of like an aura kind of nail, and then I went in with the black in the set and made black French tips, y'all. Somebody told me I never do black, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna try some black out. It's the perfect season for it. So here y'all see me. That is how I do my French tips, y'all. And if I have any mess ups, I always go in with some acetone, y'all. I put some blooming gel over the black, and then I went in with the white polish that was in the kit. And y'all, I made these little blobs and let them bloom, and they look like little ghosts. And then I went in with my dotting tool again with the same black and made little, like 3 little dots, and I just made little facial expressions, and this little ghost, y'all. How adorable is that? I feel like that is so adorable. And then I started making the fangs and the mouth with some white acrylic, and I put the monomer and acetone mixture. Then I used, y'all, what is that? That was a mess up, but anyways, I used my 3D gel, and I created some lips, y'all. I let the middle of it be like fat, and then I like make the edges smaller. Yeah, if y'all want a full tutorial on a mouth, I would give that to y'all. I don't know if people are that interested in the mouths to make a full tutorial on it, but if y'all are, let me know. And then I added some charms, y'all. I added cross. I was gonna add something else, but I want this to be really grungy and like just cutesy, so I added some charms. And y'all, for the other hand, I had to put something on my other hand. I never do my other hand, so I just bust out some quick French tips, and then I used the glitter top coat that came inside this kit, and I put glitter top coat over it and threw some star charms on it, and that's the other hand, because I just wanted the other hand to have something on it. And y'all, it actually came out really cute. I want to do a full set of this, and y'all, look at the finishing results, period. This came out so cute, y'all. And of course, if y'all want these nails, I have them linked below in my shop, and I will make them for you in press-on form. Just go ahead and below and buy it, and make sure y'all use my code if you guys are purchasing any of the items seen in the video. Bye, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, and make sure y'all get y'all some luxury acrylic press-ons, y'all, in my description. Love you. Bye.